Welcome to the Car Quiz Unique. Can you identify the make and model of 10 vintage automobiles from their photos? Let's find out. Question 1. Is this classic car? A. 1957 Pontiac Star Chief. B. 1956 Buick Roadmaster. C. 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. D. 1956 Oldsmobile 98. Correct answer, A. 1957 Pontiac Star Chief. Question 2. The choices are A. 1962 Chevrolet Corvette, B. 1961 Ford Thunderbird, C. 1961 Jaguar E-Type, D. 1964 Ferrari 250 GTO. Correct answer, A. 1962 Chevrolet Corvette. Question 3. Is this car A. 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, B. 1974 Dodge Rampage, C. 1979 Ford Ranchero, D. 1976 Ford Torino? Correct answer, C. 1979 Ford Ranchero. If you're enjoying this quiz, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Question 4. Is this one? A. 1935 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, B. 1934 Ford Model 40, C. 1936 Buick Roadmaster, D. 1937 Dodge D5. Correct answer, B. 1934 Ford Model 40. Question 5. Are we looking at A. 1955 Hudson Hornet, B. 1957 Nash Ambassador, C. 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88, D. 1956 Studebaker Skyhawk? Answer, D. 1956 Studebaker Skyhawk. Question 6. Is this vintage vehicle A. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, B. 1974 Pontiac Le Mans, C. 1972 Ford Gran Torino, D. 1975 Buick Skylark? Answer, C. 1972 Ford Gran Torino. Question 7. Is this classic auto? A. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, B. 1958 Edsel Pacer, C. 1956 Mercury Montclair, D. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville? Correct answer, B. 1958 Edsel Pacer. Question 8. Do you think this is A. 1932 Packard 900, B. 1934 Cadillac V16, C. 1935 Auburn 851, D. 1933 Duesenberg SJ. Answer D. 1933, Duesenberg SJ. Question 9. Is this one? A. 1954, Alfa Romeo 1900. B. 1955, Lancia Aurelia. C. 1956 Maserati A6G. D. 1953 Ferrari 250. Correct answer B. 1955 Lancia Aurelia. Question 10. Pick from A. 1965 Pontiac Bonneville. B. 1967 Oldsmobile 98. C. 1966 Buick Wildcat. D. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. Answer C. 1966 Buick Wildcat. Well done. Leave a comment below and tell us how many you got right. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next classic car quiz.